disposal.
Sir, but what about those players who are willing to play then?
As in, no, like in entirety, what do we want? We strive for excellence. As in, the best players will go out there. Like everyone wants to be part of the team, right? So we cannot take everyone. There has to be there has to be a pool of players that will represent the institute, as in 15, 16 players or whatever the number may be, right? So we are looking for the performance of that exactly number of teams, and besides that, the other for the greater majority of people, you can have proposal. Like what the major problem IIT Kharagpur presently is our performance at entirety. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So why don't you frame a proposal, as in how will your proposal keeping in mind the entirety is helpful? That is what I'm asking. Yeah.
So please understand the basic concept behind this. By the involvement of the players at all the differences, all the levels, that is the juniors as well as the PG sections, all the freshers, I think we are providing with more number of options to the selection committee. So with that, I think we'll have more options available with the players. The basic cause is justified, sir.
Are you trying to leverage that more awareness will create more participation, which will increase the quality of inter-IIT teams of IIT Kharagpur? Is that what you're trying to say?
Sir, with more awareness and more encouragement, I think definitely it will help.
Okay.
What was the last year's budget for that proposal?
Sir, the budget is still under consideration, and till it has been finalized, we cannot declare the budgets, please. Sir, I cannot tell about the budget till it has been finalized.
Yes.
So this budget, so this is the estimated budget of this proposed.
I am talking about that one.
Okay, sir. I can read out. Yes, sir.
No need to read, I have it.
Yes, sir.
So last year's budget was not passed. That Ankit Joshi's proposal regarding this one. So how are you ensuring that this will?
Let me request the panel members not to make comments on the current student council.
I am just asking you. He should know. He's proposing a similar proposal, so he should know that why that was not passed. But what you need not question on the. I'm not questioning. I'm just asking about why.
Yes, sir. Could you please repeat?
What is the reason that last year proposal was not implemented, and how will you implement?
First of all, my difference is totally different as compared to the difference of the previous council.
How is it different? Let me know. There were 8 additions you were telling.
Yes.
You are giving 2 additions.
Sir, it does not depend, sir, please. Sir, try to understand, it does not depend upon the number of additions. Rather, it depends upon the content. Please, sir.
Give the 2 additions.
I'll ensure that, sir. This question is
Tell me, how will you?
I will ensure that, sir. Please.
Abhishek,
Give me the answer.
Abhishek, just a minute. Have you discussed this proposal with someone competing authority in Gymkhana? Have you discussed this?
Sir, I have discussed with the present General Secretary, Sports and Games.
No, then the present General Secretary won't be there next year, right?
Yes, sir.
So have you discussed this with the President or the sports officer in charge or any?
I think, sir, I'm responsible to the people who...
No, but
Sir, please, let me complete.
Okay, fine.
Due respect, let me complete. Sir, I am responsible to the people of the institute. I think first I'll need to gather their information, and the response that I've received from them is really good. As I've mentioned earlier also, the response that I've received from the freshers regarding they don't know the tentative dates and the open ID, they're not aware of it. Considering this fact, I think after I've made this proposal, I'll go and also consult this with the officials.
Do you accept that the adequate groundwork has not been done on this?
No, sir.
Why?
Because
the budget is not prepared. You have
the budget is prepared, and I have consulted the people to whom I am responsible first.
No, but
Who will pass the budget? Let me know. Who will pass the budget? You will pass the budget.
Did I say that, sir?
So who will pass the budget? You have not discussed with anyone. How can you tell that?
Sir, let me explain. So first, this proposal will be proposed in the executive council meeting. There it will be discussed among the officials, and if accepted, then it will be executed.
It is scrapped. If it is not expected, it is scrapped. Right?
So the response of the people that I have received and the cause behind this. So please, with due respect, sir, please listen to me.
Okay, continue.
The response that I have received from the people and the cause behind this is totally very important, and considering this fact, I think the panel will also understand the reason behind its introduction. construction proposal.
Okay, okay, you have, I appreciate the fact that you have taken a survey and the freshers are very interested in this. But are you aware that the Gymkhana has a budget constraint? As in, that's the reason that many plans are shared and they are not then passed. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
So preparing a proper plan needs to be discussed at the Gymkhana level with the president.
So considering the amount that is only 11,000 rupees, we can make certain adjustments in the present Gymkhana budget.
Abhishek, can you give me like the budget breakup, like from where the budget of Gymkhana comes basically?
Yes. So the actual budget breakup, the total budget, first we get the budget from the students' contribution, that comes out to be 13,34,800 rupees.
Do you have a figure for that? Like every student has to pay a certain amount?
It's a 200 rupees a year.
Yeah. Next one.
Then there is the institute matching grant that is equal to the students' contribution, again 13,34,800 rupees.
Okay, with increasing number of students every year, don't you think the total budget will increase?
Yes, sir.
And with your budget is 11,000.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So I guess.
So not only in this, but the Gymkhana budget also, that is 4,91,000 rupees, and the
Budget for
gymnasium budget that is proposed.
gymnasium budget.
Yeah, okay, that is 4,91,000 for billiards. It is 12,800 rupees. Considering and the lawn tennis also, that is 60,000 rupees. So with the increasing number of students, I think the funds would also increase, and we can get some.
Abhishek, it's not about what you are thinking. So that the people around are convinced that okay, this is a very solid proposal, and okay, I consider this candidate has done groundwork. So what we are